sorry, Nico.
They try to bite you.
I love you. Nah, you fucking hate me, huh?
Hick's pissed from this fucking angle.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to tell you I love you. I love you so much. Why are you trying to go to bed, baby? You tired? How much do you hate me?
I like how he's got like one eye open. He's like, I'm gonna fuck you up, dog.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just had to tell you. You upset? You upset? Babe, I just want to cuddle. I just want to let you know how much I love you. Baby, why don't you talk to me anymore?
Why don't you look at me during?
Yeah. Oh, baby, don't get up. No, go back to bed. Go back to bed. It's okay.
He already knows. He's all awake and shit now.
He's like, get the fuck away from me.
He looks pissed. I can see inside your nose, little boy.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm done. I promise. Nico, I'm done. You know I'm done. I'm serious. I'm done. I know.
He's like, no, man, fuck your shit.
Babe, come back to bed.
Nigga, don't step on
Babe.
me. Nigga, I'm serious.
Babe, no, come here.
Lie down. Lie down, boo.
Come here. Come on, boo boo. Come on.
Let me smell my heel.
I'm sorry. Listen, I'm sorry. I won't do it again. Okay?
Dumb bitch.
It's beautiful.
She's dumb bitch.
This is me and my kid. Oh, Nico.
Kid Cudi.
He doesn't like me anymore. He's a little upset. But it's my baby. My baby boy. No, we're not joking with you, Nico. It's okay. It's fine. You're shitting everywhere. Fucking just brushed you, you fucking trashy whore. Okay, he seems pissed. I'm not gonna bother him anymore.